So why exactly is a comma splice a problem? And what is a comma splice anyway? Well, a comma splice is a grammatical error that occurs when two complete thoughts are separated only by a comma. A complete thought may also be called an independent clause or a complete sentence depending upon your instructor. Also, a comma splice is a problem because a comma is not a strong enough form of punctuation to separate two different ideas.
This is an independent clause. Maria saw a big hairy spider.
She jumped off the balcony.
Also an independent clause. Together, this is a fused sentence, and it will get marked off on your paper. So how can we fix this?
I don't know. I'm so cute. A comma could be placed in between the two independent clauses.
Okay. Maria saw a big hairy spider, comma, she jumped off the balcony. Does that work?
No. Remember, a comma is not a strong enough form of punctuation to separate two independent clauses.
No. Now we have a problem of a comma splice run-on. In order to fix that, we need a coordinated conjunction behind the comma.
Okay. Maria saw a big hairy spider,
Comma, so.
She jumped off the balcony.
That works.
One way to correct a comma splice, then, is to add a coordinating conjunction after the comma. Coordinating conjunctions are also known as fanboys.
And you can use one of your fanboys. Your fanboys can be for, and, nor, but, or, yet, or so.
Another way to correct a comma splice run-on is to use a semicolon. Excuse me, please.
Maria saw a big hairy spider,
Semicolon.
She jumped off the balcony.
So that will be
Another way to correct a comma splice run-on is to use a period and a capital letter.
Excuse me, please.
Maria saw a big hairy spider.
Period.
She jumped off the balcony.
Oh, don't forget the capital S.
So, let's review. A comma splice run-on occurs when two independent clauses, complete sentences, complete thoughts, are separated by a comma, which is not a strong enough form of punctuation to divide two different thoughts. Also, please remember the three methods for correcting comma splices that you just saw. First, add a coordinating conjunction, one of the fanboys, after the comma. Second, place a semicolon between the two complete thoughts. Or third, use a period to separate the sentences and capitalize the first letter of the second independent clause. Please remember you only need to use one method of correction at a time.